Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by gathering required documents: Aadhaar for each family member, a current address proof, and an income or non-income certificate when applicable. Once collected, decide the ration card type: white for above poverty, yellow for below poverty, or Antyodaya for poorest families, so you complete fields correctly. Next, go to a MiSeva center or open the Andhra Pradesh EPS online service. Make sure your mobile is ready for Aadhaar OTP. Start the application form immediately and enter the family head details first. You now fill the application carefully. Type names exactly as on Aadhaar and list relationships and birth dates to avoid mismatch rejection. Once done, upload scanned documents: Aadhaar copies, address proof, and a family photo. Make sure file sizes meet portal limits and formats. Then authenticate. Use Aadhaar OTP or biometric at the center to verify identity. If you applied at MiSeva, pay the small service fee and get the application reference number. Make a note of it for tracking. You finish by saving the application ID and immediate acknowledgement. Use this ID to track progress on the EPS portal or at the MiSeva counter. Once processing begins, an inspector may verify residence or request extra papers, cooperate, and provide originals when asked. When the card is approved, download the electronic ration card or collect the physical copy as instructed. If your application is rejected, correct the specific mismatches and resubmit, or file a grievance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.